Alright, let's get started. Hello everyone, this is Nikolaus, and today I'm gonna continue a retired box that I started last time, but due to some technical issues I had to stop the stream, so we will continue on that. So the machine was called reset. I'm gonna continue this as an adventure mode. Let's start the machine. Last time I had some progress, so I'm gonna go a little bit faster this time for this one. Alright, let me check the stream. Cool. Alright. Let's also fire up Verb Suite for that. Oh, I had my restore session here as well, but I'm gonna start it from the beginning, so... Alright. Here our IP address. Set it as a target. Oh, it's the same. Awesome. So I don't have to change also my host file names. Sure. I should restore then the session. This is the one. Okay, close this one. Go to here. Awesome. Cool. So last time we saw that forgot password. Here we have an issue. We start with just a simple you see user not found, so that means we can enumerate on that. So we see when we send the username, get the error. But if we try a new user like as I did last time, admin, because okay, let me explain first. So before I went to the forgot password functionality, I just tried admin, and I get invalid credentials. So this gives me the ability a little bit to hope for an admin user, so that's why. And then we set it here and we see user exists, and also give us the new password for that, so we can just simply log in with that. So admin and the new password, and we are in. And after we are in, we see that there is a log file. So this is what it does, the whole dashboard. So if we run this one, we expect to see some results here. And if I go back to my history, grab this one, simply repeater, and then I see that they use the full path for that. So yeah, after some playing around a little bit, and since we know a few things about the box that runs an Apache server, and the Apache also give us the ability to understand that it's a PHP behind it, also with the PHP session IDs we can tell. So assuming that, we can say that we can use, and of course all the other details like the logs here, so maybe it's a log injection thing, log poisoning, for example. SP. So we can see that it leads to an RC using also an LFI for this case. If I run, for example, passwords, see if we can access other files, to get to 400 and invalid file path. So we are not allowed to do anything, but under the var logs apache 2 / access.log still 500. Let's check if there is the correct path. I thought it was that one, right? Let me check mine. Varlog Apache. Okay. Varlog, not logs. That's why. Silly typos. 200. And we see the logs here. And if we just we see that it includes the Mozilla here word, so it includes also the user agent, so we can replace this to just a test, and then we can write a PHP for that code system, and in there we can say request, and in the array we can tell that the CMD parameter. So if we do that, and we come here and just include the CMD parameter and say, okay, give me the ID, get it 200, and if we scroll down, we don't see it yet. Hopefully should be here, not even the test, so let me run it again. Yes, second time we can see that we can run commands here. Awesome. So the next thought for that is to get a reversal or exfiltrate data from that, but I think just to get a reversal. It's the best idea. Alright, so let's try to grab a reversal. Also, we can use the new site here, where you can see and find the useful nodes. So we can grab the target IP and paste it here, and our local IP and paste it here as well. So all the commands and the reversals are auto-populated with the target IP and the local IP with the port. You can change the port as you like it. So yeah, and the very first quick taste for the payloads, it's also what we want, but of course you can use the command K shortcut and search for shells, and you can see the reversals here. I have added plenty of them, but I will update soon all these commands, but here is the basics. So we're gonna need this one, for example. You can simply paste it here. Probably needs to URL encode a little bit. Let's start our listener. So I'm gonna use Penelope for that. So hopefully if we run this command, it's gonna create a reverse connection and will be back to us. Okay, 200. No results here for now, but let's see if we get something. Okay, it seems not. Maybe the coding. Else. It may run it like this. Okay. Still nothing. Interesting. Now encode it again. Some results. No connection back. Just run it multiple times to see if it's about to work before trying something else. Something with that we can use. An old trick as well. Let me grab this one. And I'm gonna use something like that. Gonna use the base 64. So we're gonna base 64 it. 64. Alright, and then how to base 64, and then also run it. But I missed it here. Actually, I can do it with one command. But okay, let's keep it straight. Cool. Copy this, paste it here, and URL encode it, and hopefully it's gonna work. Send it 200, see results. Oh yes, it decoded, my mistake. So delete this one, paste this, paste this one, that's the now, and URL encode it. 200, no results yet. Still waiting. One more time. Oops. And here it is. Awesome. And we are in as www data. Awesome. Cool. So can we see the home folder, local, and SADM sub M. Okay. Local permissions. Oh, wait, we can see, so we can grab the user file. Oh, awesome. Okay, that's cool. So data can read SADM username, a user folder. Awesome. And we can read the context, and we grab the user. Awesome. No, that's not. Come on. And the rating, it's easy. Awesome. What else? We see some files here. History looks kinda empty, but of course I'm gonna check it a little bit. jump there, through the files again, and then I can cut the .bus history. But it looks empty. Yeah. And also another interesting one, the R host, but we can't read it. Yes. Okay, that's interesting. Maybe we should keep it in my notes, few logs, and we can do log poisoning. Enumerate post-exploitation. Cool. Found not a flag. Of course, found the flag, but found a .r hosts. Hosts. Is that it? Hosts. R hosts. File. www data. Can read home. It's a DM coms folder. Home folder. And read the flag. Found the net host file, but we cannot read it. We will check about it soon. Okay, and if we see the ID again, oh yeah, I noticed that before. It's within the ADM group for group one, group for group. So let's see the groups again. That's the groups that user belongs. So we need to become SADM. Cool. So last time we found a cool way to, let me see if I remember it. It was perms, not perms, it was group ADM for this case, and we specify type folder for that. And then we send it to dev no. And then we can starts doing it. Cool, but it wasn't what I wanted. So, and okay, that's a good one because okay, give us some results, but no permissions deny. But of course, let me check what I have found for the other one. It was I need to copy this one somewhere else as well. Let's at least sort it by the date to found it a little bit. Not forgotten. The better it was. I'm joking. Yep, group. That it was okay. Group, I remember it. Yeah, to dead null, and then we just but we had the results. That's awesome. But with not type, so not files, just direct this one to dead null. Alright. Okay, we see some basic logs that we already knew on the team message. Is here, there is we will see later. Basic files and most of them logs this group can see. Awesome. So we need to find a way to become SADM. Let's see this refers to what it means. Their host file in Linux allows trusted remote users to access a local account without a password by listing remote host user pairs, but it is obsolete and insecure. Other systems, yeah. For security, administrators should remove or restrict the .rhost and use SSH instead. Okay, so that means yeah, but we cannot read it. So trusted users. And exploitation part. Exploitation. I'm not sure if it's gonna give us to us. So how we can connect then? Using airhost binary? Is there a binary for that? Yeah, we know all that. Yeah, it's not gonna give us exploitation part. And how to connect using rhosts maybe, but I think it's gonna get it. Oh, air login. So remote hosts can access their account without needing to enter a password. How to add entries. how to connect. Sur permissions. There must be owned by the user or root. Okay. Owner. It's okay. So how we can connect then with the R login, of course, and the host name. But this so I log in and the host name reset.htb. Okay, ask for a password. So I log in, some help commands. That's L user and cool. User before that one probably. So it has a verbose mode probably. Ask for the password. Okay, so verbose mode, yeah. Oh, port 513. So if we got the all ports for that. Do I have it? No. Okay, so let me run it again. Besides the 80 and 22, here it is, 512 and 513 for sure. It was there. Yep. So that's where these ports. Awesome. But it tries to connect it, but with no luck. Permissions, okay. If a username is not specified, the user must have the same login name on both remote. Okay. That means that I need to create a user. Cool. User add it was. Let me check. Maybe there are more. Keep that, so I'm gonna open it again in a new one. add the user Linux user add of course sudo. Okay, so I need to do only that probably. I'm not gonna give home folders and stuff, so just that. Right. So I didn't give a password for that. User add with no password. Then I need the m command. The m flag is something for the user folder, but I need to give okay, I think this also should work. Oh, sure. Cool. No. Sudo. Cool. And now cool. Where am I? I'm okay, and maybe I need a better cell, but it's okay for now. So login. Reset. HTB. I'm just the other user. I forgot to put a browse flag, but let's see what it does. And yeah, we are Sam. I'm calling Sam for some reason, but it's okay. SADM something admin. Awesome. And now we can read the file because we are that one. And yeah, Sam is inside, so that's why he can connect. But now we are Sam. Okay, let's say host has insecure connection with command login and host created a user same like the one in the target. Actually we had two, but sadmin looks or Sam looks more promising. SDM in our environment. No, that's not environment. So wait, that was an environment variable of mine? I need to check that. Change into that user and just run. air login reset.htb. I need to figure out what is this. Cool. And now we can do some enumeration for that. Okay, sudo l asks for the password. We will see if we can see that. Cool. Okay, I'm not wasting time. I'm gonna grab Limpis to do the job. Limpis. Sage and then pipe it to bus so it runs at the same time. Awesome. Hey yo! Hey Earl, how is going? Yeah, we are doing another box here. It's called Reset. So yeah, I'm doing fine. How about you? Doing well. Okay, could start reviewing a little bit. Awesome. Nice to see you here. Environment. Variables here. Yes, I just I become as admin with this nice little trick with the air login thing. Was nice to find out about it. Yeah, it was a nice explanation here. So I figured out if there is a username, must be the same login name, so that's why I created a user for my environment, changed to that user, and then just simply run their login, and I was in. And yeah, first thing first, check if I could run the sudo l. It requires my the password of the SADM, and now I'm just running the and reviewing the Limpis scan. Okay, I don't see something in the environment variables. Okay, move on. Some kernel exploits. We don't care about those. that's interesting. Okay, no results yet. What? No. Something is wrong with Limpis and stops working for some reason. I'm gonna leave it a little bit run by itself, so maybe while I'm scrolling I'm stopping the, I don't know, maybe the Tmax session here for my own something. Okay, I will let it run a little bit and then I'm gonna review the results. Okay, stream looks good. Both platforms. Yeah, last time I had an issue and I had to stop the stream yesterday actually. But let's see. Try to do an AWS enumeration, and I think that's where it stuck last time. We will see if it doesn't work or for some reason stops there or takes some time to do it. I don't know. We're gonna do some manual enumeration. Okay, let me have a quick break. I will leave the screen open, so I will be right back. Okay, it does the same thing, I see. Can we skip it? Come on, doesn't skip it. Maybe the wiki give us something, or green piece to skip, not sleep, skip. Oh, with it does so we can focus on specific functions. That's also good to know. There is no skip scan, for example. That could be a nice upgrade for the developer to skip. Interesting file, so we're gonna do it manually. No skip. Focus without system info on. Okay. Let's see this one. But it's a good idea for the developer, right? Okay. Let's add this one as well. Not the correct one. I think pipe exargs or something. No, that comes after the bus. So first pipe to bus, and then exargs. In this bus it's not necessary. Hope this works. No. So then I have to download it and run it manually, which is also okay. So wget for that. Hope there is a wget. Cool. Let's pass this lean piece. Give this as well and pipe it to this file. Okay. start. That give us something awesome. Okay. Let's duel. Maybe this one I'm gonna use it. Okay. Whole kit. The other user local. Maybe it has more privileges. We will see how it goes. T-Max. That's mine. That's T-Max. Active session. There is a T-Max active session. Yeah, T-Max session is here. Okay, that's interesting. We're gonna check the T-Max session. And where in here it stops. Awesome. So what was T-Max LS? Yep. There is a session here. So T-Max attach that's T for the session name. Here's the M session. Maybe this works. T-Max T-Max attach session. Oh, that's T. Oh, with I think yeah I see without that. Yep, awesome. Now it's the T-Max session of S8 admin or some in sort. And we see what? Echo sudo s. What? That's the password. Okay, that's awesome. After some enumeration, found that SADM has an active T-Max session. So T-Max, that's SCDM session it was. then found SADM password. And this is the password. Awesome. So now we can exit the session. Break it now. I exit the session and thankfully I copied the password. Otherwise I had to reset the machine or something. So now we know its password. We can run sudo l. Thankfully this time the copy of the Tmax worked. Okay. Oh yeah. And we can see some stuff. Nano for that. Tail. Awesome. Let me keep this as a note. Awesome. So I remember that. Maybe now it's time for the CTFO beans. Is there a nano there? I think it was nano. No, nano. Cool. Can we escape? We can. Okay, we will try it. So sudo nano. Okay, nano then. Control X and execute this. Oh no. RX and execute this one. And you see the small one here? Here we can type. So ID, I cannot type. ID, no. I'm still some, wait. But no sudo, that's why. Okay, let's exit. No sudo. Maybe from the Tmax session I accidentally killed. I didn't check it. Probably I have to reset the machine. Something here. Okay, let's do it again, but with the tail we can run it. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, we know his password. Let's connect with an SSH.